Mumbai is expensive. Our landlord came visiting one day, and saw my pots and pans on the kitchen floor because there were only 2 shelves. He came the next day and nailed 2 wooden boards to the wall, giving me 2 more shelves. I and hubby thanked him. Next he said, "The rent for a furnished apartment is 40k here, but I can reduce it down to 35k for you, as you have just started to earn. This flat is not furnished," my husband said, a little shocked. The landlord pointed towards the wooden board in the kitchen, leaving our mouths agape, and he was dead serious. We wondered if he was drunk. Finally, hubby told him to remove the shelves, and said we would manage without one. He left them, probably because they were just lying around in his house and he wanted to be rid of them. But he kept mumbling about the benevolence of his heart and our ungrateful nature. We needed a day to get over the shock. 2. Many years ago, I had a landlord who used to sit on my rent checks for months without cashing them. This made balancing my checkbook an absolute nightmare given that there were always 2-3 outstanding rent checks at any given time. One day, he came by to fix the stove, and since he was going to be there on the 1st anyway, I told him I would leave the rent check for him on the kitchen table. When I got home from work, the check was gone and the stove was working.